Friends, to make free electricity you have to do as I do. First you have to get a wire. This is copper wire. You have to convert this Care 12 into spring Hanuma face. And this is how you get the 6 magnets and put them inside the spring, and then one by one to them connect them with silicon. After that you have to get an extension lead. You have to connect the ascension lead in the same way, set it with silicone. After setting this you need a transformer. You also have to connect the transformer with silicone. You have to install these two by chatting back and forth. Friends, next you will need a motor. You have to take the same kind of motor. Magnets have to be fixed at the front end of the motor like this. And you have to set the motor like this so that magnet part came to the exact center of the spring. You also have to connect this with silicone, and the wires of the transformer have to be connected with the spring to the other side of the transformer with extension lead have to add. We are done now. Now let's start it and see. To start it, at the end of the motor you have to spin hard, then it will start and your free electricity will start to become.